go. There it goes. Oh, okay. Oh, there we go. Good. Oh, there we go. Good. Oh, there we go. Good. There you go. Oh, there you go, my friend.
Holy cow. Man. Whew. Whew.
There you go.
Thank you.
I think that was just about everything.
Yeah, that was all the way, as he says, it's all the way down.
Yep.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, man. That opened up perfectly.
Oh my God.
Still kicking, right? Good job.
Thank you.
So what'd you feel differently with this versus the wide strap?
So this is like legitimately complete decompression from sacrum all the way to neck.
Yeah.
This is all the way down. Wide strap is going to be your neck. Wide strap is great, but it's just the neck.
Yeah.
That was incredible.
That's what you needed right there.
Yeah, that's what I needed.
Good.